Day 38, part 1. Slide adjustment. So today is pretty much, I made a video last night about what I wanted to do today, and it's pretty much the same. So my name's Josh McKay. I'm building a solar business here in Australia, starting with $10,000 and aiming to generate about $1 million net in profit each year. 38 days into the build. Today is day 38. This is the sales game with Josh McKay, helping solar business owners sell more, make more, and work less. I am focusing on getting telephony and automated SMS integrated into the CRM that we're using. And then I also want to work on some of the back-end operations of the CRM. So just as we move customers from one stage to the next in the leads side of it, and then once they're sold, from progressing from approvals to documents creation to booking in installs and then completing installs, just having the automated sort of process to move a customer through that, and with emails and SMS attached at each stage as well. I'm doing this all from scratch, which I've already spent about 2 or 3 days working on the CRM itself already, just getting the foundations for me to be able to do this now. I then prioritized working on sales. Now I'm just coming back to do some more automations and get it to a stage where it's probably good enough to handle 10 to 15 jobs a week, with a little bit of probably doubling up on handling on information. At another stage, I'm going to get some developers to automate some of that data entry side of things. There's an upfront cost to that, but it's going to save a lot of money on wages and time costs, and make sure there's no human error in a lot of these areas where we're having to do manual data entry, and just linking systems together as well. So we can automate things like even invoicing and ordering stock and things like that as much as possible. I don't know how far we're going to be able to go with that, but my plan is to try and have everything being built within the CRM to automate as much of that as possible. That's the plan for today. I'll let you know what I achieved at the end of the day. Till then.